The winds also sparked fires throughout the state and near the Austin area, including several in Blanco, Williamson, and Hayes counties.
The Clet fire is 50% contained, while the tree line fire is almost fully contained. KXAN's Sarah Alsheh takes us to some of the high fire danger areas in Manor and in Hayes County.
An active fire day across central Texas. KXAN crews drove to multiple different fires on Tuesday. We first dispatched to one in the Manor area. The Austin Fire Department got the call around 2:30 p.m. about a fire next to a roadway near a neighborhood. The fire grew because of the strong winds, burning 10 acres near a residential area.
When crews were showing up, they noticed some power lines kind of going back and forth. Our speculation on this one is that it was some wires that crossed and sparks and embers dropped down onto the grass below, and then the winds just whipped it up and turned it into what it was.
Luckily, fire officials say no structures impacted and no one hurt. This just one of many other fires AFD responded to on Tuesday.
We had, multiple grass fires that didn't get to this size, but we had units responding on those all around the city. It's not going to be just limited to any one part of town today. Coordination in preparation for today. We have upstaffed extra units. Other departments have upstaffed extra units. We're in contact with each other.
About 40 minutes south, another fire in the Buda and Kyle areas. Officials labeled this one the Onion Creek Fire, burning more than 170 acres.
So today it was the perfect conditions for a fire to start. We weren't prepared for something like this. We were expecting something like this, something to flare up. However, at this time, it is not determined what caused it specifically. It's still under investigation.
The Kyle Fire Department, along with other crews in Hayes County, plan to work overnight through the morning to monitor hotspots. Sarah Alsheh, KXAN News.
And fire officials say evacuations for the Onion Creek fire are now lifted. No structures were impacted, but officials didn't have a containment number just yet.